How to fix SHAREit Slow Transfer. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to fix the slow transfer on SHAREit, all you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of SHAREit application on your device. So just go to the Play Store application and search for SHAREit. Now as you can see, we have the latest version of the application on our device. So I'm going to go back and make a long press on SHAREit. Then tap on app info and then it will lead us to a new page where it says clear all data. Then tap on delete all data and tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options. After that, go back and tap on the SHAREit option and try to first disconnect with the account or with the other device where the transfer has been slow, and then reconnect it with again, and this might help to solve the slow transfer issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.